Hi, my name is Natalie Vasquez, and this is my initial self-assessment presentation. The first objective in this course is to demonstrate the knowledge and skills of research designs, methodologies, and data analysis techniques that are relevant in applied contexts in I/O psychology. I have learned and developed skills of research designs, methods, and data analysis through previous classes. As an undergrad, I took research methods and statistics, which were both very similar to quantitative research methods with Dr. Palmer. These classes further solidified my knowledge of research methods and designs. I also learned when to use the appropriate statistical tests. The second objective is to select and implement the appropriate research and analysis strategies for a given situation. I do not have much experience in selecting and implementing research or analysis strategies. My only encounter with selection and implementation was during college. One of my courses was an independent research project, which I developed my own research question, hypothesis, and research design. A professor and I wanted to examine the relationship between open-mindedness and GPA. We developed a questionnaire on a Likert scale and then asked the participants to report their GPA. Therefore, we conducted a correlational statistical test. This is very different than I/O psychology. I look forward to learning and understanding applied research in this discipline. The final objective is to communicate the research process, results, and implications in both technical and non-technical terms. At this point in my educational career, I feel that I have a basic understanding of the research process. It is usually in the first chapters of many psychology textbooks, as well as research methods. From what I've learned, the first step is developing a question, then a hypothesis. Next, develop a research design. To carry out the design, the researchers would need to find participants and collect data on them. The final steps would include performing the appropriate statistics and report the findings. I can explain the research process in non-technical terms, but I would like to further my knowledge of the process and have a better understanding of the results and implications, especially in regards to I/O psychology. A personal goal that I have for this class is to have a better understanding of how I/O professionals find research opportunities in the private sector. Many I/O psychologists perform research through academia, but I would like to familiarize myself on how practitioners research actual organizations. Real-world studies are different than controlled experiments because the researcher is observing things that happen day to day. This is very beneficial for I/O psychology because the goal of all I/O professionals are to help real businesses, clients, and employees. A second goal of mine is to inform myself on what I/O psychology needs to further research. While reading class assignments for other courses, many of the articles explain their scientific evidence is new and untouched territory. I would like to know what I/O psychology is lacking to give myself ideas on topics I would like to research and contribute to the field. Thank you for watching my self-assessment. I look forward to learning in this class.